AI is poised to significantly impact educators and course creators on social media. By automating tasks like content generation, visual design, and video editing, AI will save time and enhance consistency. This allows creators to focus on higher-level strategies and ensures a cohesive brand presence. Personalization is another key benefit. AI can analyze social media interactions to tailor content to individual learner needs, making learning more engaging and effective. This level of personalization, previously difficult to achieve at scale, will become more accessible. AI also offers advanced analytics, providing insights into content performance and audience engagement. Creators can quickly refine their strategies based on real-time data, ensuring their content remains relevant and impactful. However, the rise of AI brings challenges. There's a risk that over-reliance on AI-generated content could diminish authenticity. Automated content might lack the personal touch that makes learning experiences unique. Educators will need to balance AI efficiency with maintaining the human element in their content. Ultimately, AI will be a powerful tool for those who embrace it. Educators and course creators who adapt will likely expand their reach, improve content quality, and engage more effectively with their audiences on social media.